Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can change the animation speed. So you have to go for the settings, tap on the display, and next you have to scroll down and find the animation speed. When you enter right here, you can change animation scale for the window, transition and animator. And as you can see here, you get all available options. It's the same like you can find in the developer options. You can turn them off, but you can also change the animation scale to get the better, to feel a little bit faster. So let's check how it looks on the animation 2x, and let's how it goes on the 10x. Okay, the window animation is not that much, but let's go and check how it looks when you set up the transition scale for the 5x. As you can see, it was much slower, right? Check it out right now for the 10x. It feels laggy, right? So when you go down for the half x, it feels much faster. Just check it out. So definitely I can recommend you to stay with this one, but you can also turn it off and everything will look like that. But I will take this one, and that's what I can recommend you. So that's how you can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.